Welcome to an island where towering limestone cliffs, crystal-clear lagoons, and untouched tropical beaches create one of the last true paradises on Earth. Welcome to Palawan. Located in the western Philippines, Palawan is an island province famous for its breathtaking natural beauty, rich marine life, and some of the clearest waters in the world. One of Palawan's greatest treasures is El Nido, where dramatic limestone formations rise from brilliant turquoise waters, creating scenery unlike anywhere else on Earth. Among its many wonders, the famous Big Lagoon offers calm emerald waters surrounded by towering cliffs, making it one of the island's most unforgettable destinations. Palawan is also home to pristine white sand beaches where swaying palm trees, gentle waves, and peaceful surroundings create the perfect tropical escape. Beneath the surface lies another incredible world filled with colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, sea turtles, and vibrant marine life waiting to be explored. Further north, Coron amazes visitors with its dramatic landscapes, crystal-clear lakes, and legendary shipwreck diving sites hidden beneath the sea. Whether you're kayaking through hidden lagoons, sailing between remote islands, or watching the sunset over the ocean, every moment in Palawan feels unforgettable. Beyond its stunning landscapes, Palawan offers a peaceful way of life, warm Filipino hospitality, and a deep connection to nature that makes every journey truly special. Combining breathtaking scenery, extraordinary marine life, and untouched tropical beauty, Palawan truly deserves its reputation as one of the world's most beautiful islands.